Hey guys, it's Amanda, also known as Amateurs, and today we are finally doing our Japan crate for March. However, it got here in April, so it's gonna be a little late because Japan crate. This is my husband, Zachary. He is also my caretaker for those who are new. I am schizoaffective and do videos on mental health and makeup, so we're also starting to do unboxings as well. So we're gonna be showing you the items that we got. This is the $30 one, and we should be getting like candy kits and drinks along with it, and we're gonna taste it as well, so we're gonna try to make it as quickly as possible because sometimes that takes forever. I mean, we got a lot of stuff in here. He already sees something he wants. Here is the pamphlet that was come with. It kind of looks like
it's an advertisement for
it's God Eater. Yeah, God Eater 3.
And
Code Vein. Code Vein. If you hear noises in the background, that is my ferret. She really wants to come out, but it's not time for her to come out. Oh, this is like a coloring book. There's like coloring pages in it.
No, it's not. It's not
no, it says right here, color in what you think is the violent guide will look like.
This is not a coloring page.
It is definitely not material for a page to color with.
Like, if I color on that, it will smear.
And then on the second page, we got all the stuff that's in the box, which is actually quite a lot. Look at all that.
Wow.
Yeah, we got a lot of stuff in this box. And then it talks about the two games that it's advertising for the month of March, or that we got it afterwards. So let's start. We're just gonna pick and grab and whatever's first. So first thing we got is the Kit Kat Momijai Mango flavor. Captures the taste of Hiroshima with these Momijai Mango flavor Kit Kats, created in collaboration with Takasudo, the famed 100-year-old family-run business that originally created the... Alright, let's just get it. So it's supposed to taste like maple leaf-shaped red bean cakes. Okay. Okay. Gonna open this up. It smells like a regular Kit Kat to me.
No, it doesn't. It says the girl who doesn't eat Kit Kat.
I've had Kit Kats before.
Okay, just because you have it doesn't mean you remember it.
Doesn't taste unfamiliar to me. Like, it tastes like something I've had before. How about you?
Tastes more like a wafer cookie.
Do you like it?
Well,
you can have it.
I don't not like it.
I need a drink. We're not sponsored by Dr. Pepper. We're just drinking Dr. Pepper. Pringles. It's ramen flavored Pringles.
I know.
I'm so excited. Let's see. My eyes are starting to water. Everyone calm down. Pringles Ace Cook Noodle flavor. The Pringle craze has taken over Japan in classic noodle dishes with two flavors, classic yakisoba and soy chicken ramen with one. Which one do you get? I have no idea. I'm guessing it's
udon noodle.
It says soy chicken ramen. That's what it looks like it could be. But we don't speak Japanese, so I have no idea.
It's not. We got the soy.
That's why I said the soy chicken ramen.
The classic yakisoba.
Let's see. If it tastes like chicken, it tastes like chicken to us. This came but broken. What's that?
I see why it came broken.
Yeah, that was difficult.
That lid said no, bro.
Yeah, look at that. Look. It came damaged.
No, we just tried to take off the lid, and this is what we did to it. Like, destroyed it.
No, it was like that. It was, it was like that.
I just saw you tear it up.
Oh, it smells good.
It smells destroyed.
It is destroyed. Look at that. These are not chips anymore. This is crumbs.
I got a hole. I got two holes.
I can't pinpoint the flavor either. Maybe
I don't taste chicken.
It's good though. At least I have lunch for the next few days for work.
You mean cavities?
So here's one of the Japanese candy kits. It looks like it's very simple to do. Yeah. So I do Japanese candy kits on this channel. I'm trying to move all my old crafting videos over onto this channel as well. So these might come a little bit later on. Which will be happy for him because he loves these things. That's a goldfish scooping in traditional Japanese candy, which a player scoops goldfish with a special scooper. It is common and popular activity amongst kids and adults during festivals throughout Japan. I see it in anime all the time. Oh, that's cool. Ninja Sword Gum. So we're not going to taste test this because I don't like to spit gum out just for the tasting. It's the God Eater Squad lets you borrow a sword to fight off the origami. They said once you defeat one, your sword stores their energy that becomes a sweet treat.
I don't feel like chewing while there's stuff to be swallowing.
Yeah. Maybe at the very end if this is the only gum thing. You know? Like a little finisher.
We'll try, yeah.
Oh, it's potato chips. I like the bag.
It looks like it's a candy potato chip. Suppamucho.
Suppamucho Plum. First sold in 1993. Suppamucho is a popular brand. It's blurry, honey. It's blurry because of the thing. Celebrated its 25th anniversary last year. For the new year, they revealed this all-new honey plum flavor that just hit stores in Japan. It smells like regular potato chips.
No, it doesn't. I get a flowery smell.
It tastes good. I like it.
I taste like I'm eating honey and flowers in a chip. Those are yours. This is mine. This
Keeping this.
is mine. A God Eater lanyard. And Code Vein lanyard. It's doubled up.
Our friends at Bandai have included the bonus gift inside March's crate for the highly anticipated release of Code Vein game and God Eater 3. It's a Coca-Cola product. Not sponsored, by the way. Again, I'm sorry if you can't see it very well.
The sudden appearance of the origami isn't all bad. It caused the sakura leaves to bloom early, transforming the local Coke bottles into the 2019 limited edition Sakura can.
You ready for this? Let's see. It smells like regular Coca-Cola.
It's just meant to be Coke. They literally said limited edition Coca-Cola can.
Yep, definitely just go. Well, Japan has different flavors for Coke than
So
America.
this is mine.
What? Probably keep the bottle as decoration.
Oh yeah, that's a limited edition bottle.
This tiny little thing. Only one of us is going to be able to try this. This is like a Coke flavor too. This is what it is. Can't tell what it is. It's a Donguri Gum Cola. So this is not a gum product. A classic candy store staple in Japan. Pop this cola candy when you're in the mood for something fizzy and chewy, as you're left with gum center to chew on when the rest fizzles away.
So that's mine.
Sonomama Peach. Made by Chorus, the Sonomama... No, it's spelled differently here. See? Sonomama Peach gum contains 3 round-shaped peach gum balls. One of the 3 is sour, but can only be revealed when tasting. Taste your luck with some friends. Oh, people do videos on these. Not particularly this one, but people do videos with like foods that are like you don't know which one is the sour one. So maybe we should put this to the side and do a video on it.
I think we should do it at the end because it's only me and you that are going to be taste testing this.
Oh, yeah. Oh my god, I love these things. Mochitto Strawberry. Soft, squishy. Enjoy these fluffy soft rice cakes with a strawberry cream filling with this March. We just got these from Buck's Lunch the other day. When we had the mango ones, I loved them. He didn't care for them. So this is going to be a very interesting taste. You're going to love it this time, and I'm going to hate it. I'll grab the big one because I know you're picky about these.
Oh, the bigger one.
Yeah, it smells like perfume. I like it. I'm just going to put the trash in there.
Guys, this is sour pepper cola.
Pop Fizzle Gummy. Experience the world of Coca-Cola in sour gummy form with this sweet and sour candy strip. So let's open it. Oh, it's one of those ones. Alright, ready? Just takes the entire thing into his mouth.
It's way good.
Not that sour. I was expecting it to be really sour. Hina Boro. Celebrate Hina Matsuri with these themed sweet potato snacks that will melt in your mouth in just seconds. Now mind you, if I mispronounce these words, don't take it personally. I'm not Japanese, nor am I from Japan. So,
Japan.
Okay, so it's supposed to like melt in your mouth.
It literally disappeared. Like I bit into it once and it was gone.
I don't like that taste.
What is this supposed to be the flavor of? Milk and eggs?
Sweet potato snacks. I'll try another one, just to make sure it wasn't just the way I was eating it or some shit like that. Because I literally squished it in my mouth trying to see if I can melt it away. Nope, still just as disgusting. Do you like them? Give them to my mom.
Here.
Here, Mom.
We found something disgusting. Enjoy. Noshi Ume Taro. Soft and easy to eat. Experience the taste of plum vinegar and plum meat. Extract on a fish fillet. The mix of salty and sweet will leave your palate on a unique tasting experience.
You
So
ready?
that's a piece of fish.
No wonder this is gonna be fun. Let's try this shit out.
Yeah.
Let's try this crap out. It smells vinegary. Oh, it's all slimy. It's all slimy like a really fish. Okay, you ready? Suck. Suck. Here you go.
That face. That face.
I'm not sure if I like it or not. It's one of those tastes like.
Okay, guys. Okay, stop taste testing and eat it.
All right.
Nope. No. No. That was a no.
I can taste a rainbow of fish.
Oh, he smells it.
He does.
It's like, oh. Oh.
Even he doesn't like it. He's like, nope.
Yeah, that was a no. If you can eat that on a daily basis and look at me straight in the eyes and tell me you like that, well, you got more cojones than me.
It feels like it's supposed to be
A lollipop.
a lollipop, but feel. Maybe it's one of those like ones that are
I know what this is.
in Pop Rocks, you know.
No, this is the one that you lick, dip.
Starburst Powder Cola. Experience Japan's version of Fun Dip with the cola. This cola lollipop, the powder turns into a juicy candy that you love.
We'll try it.
Alright.
Just look at it. I mean, I kiss you, so I mean, I don't care.
Is that flavor we like from that one gummy that's purple? When you string it up, like strings.
I'll save this for you, baby, because I know you like it.
Aw, thank you! Trio Mix Experience, hold it up. Experience a trio of tasty flavors with a mix of soft candies that include traditional soda, cola, and grape taste. Share the different flavors amongst friends, or keep them. I hope I get the grape one. My nose is itchy.
I definitely got grape.
I got cola. I think we can tell from the colors. There's actually different colors. Yeah, I want the purple one. And there's a blue one. I think the blue one is the regular soda one. Because in Japan there's soda, like ramune. And then there's cola, and then there's grape. Because what I just had, see there's two grape ones, and then there's like a peach colored one, and I'm guessing that's the cola one.
I gotta try a blue.
These are delicious. Give them back, come on. We share. Hitless pickled plum is both sweet and sour, bringing the best of both worlds here. This is gonna be interesting.
Enjoy.
I'm gonna try cutting it in half.
No. Look at that.
You must suffer with me. This is not a plum. This is so tiny for a plum.
Yeah, it could still be a baby plum, honey.
Yeah, you get
No,
the small one.
I don't
You
want
have
that.
to try.
It looks like a fermented turd.
I have to try it.
I'm gonna eat this fermented turd, guys.
I had it. No.
Come on, feed me.
No. Let's go. Come.
Nope. Nope. No. Just no.
Ugh. Ichigo Daifuku. It comes from Japan.
So it's strawberry flavor.
Yeah, Ichigo Daifuku is fluffy and puffy and Ichigo strawberry flavored with a pink filling. Enjoy this marshmallow when you're in the mood for something sweet in a jiffy. Okay, I'm gonna cut this in half too.
I think you just bite it and I'll bite the other half. Just take a bite out of it. Oh, it's filled.
Yeah, usually they are. Actually, I think it says it's filled.
No. Ah.
Yeah, it says filled.
Definitely good.
Mm-hmm.
Now, to be completely honest, as soon as I saw this, I got excited. Because I usually love this type of stuff right here. And these are rich flavor scones. Said to give whoever eats it the power of fire. You definitely cannot let the origami eat this. Grab the bag and share with your team and harness the power of spicy noodle.
Alright, so this is supposed to be spicy. So
she doesn't do spicy, so this will be entertaining.
I eat some spicy food.
You eat mellow food.
Food Dynamite was not mellow. Mmm. It is spicy though. Good flavor, but it's getting really hot. It's like at the very tip. I'm here to have this. It's good, but well, that is it. Now we want to do this on camera, so stop eating that. This is the one that has the sour in it, but you don't know which one is sour. So they look like little, almost like lemons instead of peaches. So we get 3, and we must choose randomly which one we want, because one of them is maybe sour. So you go ahead and pick one. Choose the middle one.
Because it looks like a lemon.
It does look like a lemon. Tastes good.
I got the sour one.
Good. I don't like sour.
It's a good sour though.
It's a good flavor.
It's a good sour.
So I hope you guys enjoyed. Please like, comment, and subscribe, and you'll be seeing April's box in May. Alright, I'm gonna do a Facebook. Now say bye.
Goodbye.